Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Candice. I have been doing creative makeup on Instagram for a few years now, and if you know me, you're a returning subscriber, then hello! Today's star product is Goss Weightless Veil Blush Palette. I am so freaking excited. I have been watching him for a few years now, and if you don't know him, he's a pro makeup artist. He also has his own YouTube channel, so I'll link it down below. You can go check him out. He have a lot of amazing tricks and tips, and his makeup is just flawless. Flawless. When I was picking this up, I was so tempted to buy everything else, but it's actually really hard even if I want to, because all of his stuff is like sold out. It's insane. When I went on the website to check on these blush, I think there's only one shade left. It's really hot right now, so if you want to get it after this video, then I suggest you go and waitlist yourself, so as soon as it comes on you can just grab it, because these things are going fast. So in each of this blush palette, there are two complementary shades of matte blush and radiant highlighter to customize your look, from a soft wash of just pinch color to a shimmering statement cheek. It's formulated with the perfect balance of pigment for effortless blendability. The weightless powder formula glides over skin without emphasizing pores, fine lines, or texture. It's available in 4 shades. The shade that I picked up is called Vivid Azalea, I think. Vibrant fuchsia and shimmering white gold illuminate the skin and make your favorite features pop. Of course, I am tempted to buy all of the shades there is, but I realized when it comes to my blush collection, I gravitate towards the peachy colors and like basically coral colors. I have so many of those, and I really wanted to jump out of my comfort zone, so I picked out this. This is a very vibrant fuchsia. It's so Barbie, and the highlighter looks so good. The highlighter actually reminds me of the Anastasia, so we might give it a try to see the comparison. First thing first, we have to look at the packaging. I was very glad when I received this. It's so beautiful. It's so luxury. This is the box that it came with. I know it's very like metallic silver. It seems very boring, but when you open it, they have like this paper thing there, and not all makeup cosmetic have this. It's usually the luxury makeup that will have this kind of packaging, like there's like an internal paper inside. Anyway, I was very happy. It looks luxe, and I have been trying to keep all of my packaging now. I don't usually do that, but I realized that it kind of keep them clean and it feels new. So I'm keeping this. And when the product comes out, this is how it looks. It's so pretty. The packaging is plastic, yes, but it is very heavy. And I think it was because of the color and the material. It reminds me of the Tom Ford as well. This is the Tom Ford. Obviously the shade is a little different. This is more brown, but the material feels very similar. I think most makeup brands like to use these kind of glossy material, but I actually find it a little annoying. It leaves fingerprints, and because I'm a content creator, like, you know, for Instagram and stuff, when I do this, there's a lot of reflection, and I'm using macro lenses, so you can definitely see the fingerprints. But I don't know, everyone seems to do that in the market. There is a protective sheet for your blush and your highlighter, and it also comes with a mirror, and it's huge. I love it. I love how the pen is so big. It says there's 19 grams of products here, so that's about 9.5 grams each. I don't know why they went with 19 grams. Why not just 20? But there's 19 grams of product, so probably 9.5 each. But look at the pen size. This is something that I really enjoy. A lot of them, the compact is very small. The pen size is very small, but this one is huge. To put things into perspective, this is my Hakuhodo B531. I actually used this for a bronzer, but look at that. Look at the size of this pen, it's insane. So normally for blush, this is the brush I use. This is Hakuhodo as well, B512, B12, 5, B512. So according to Goss, there is 2 different ways that you can use this blush palette. Normally, we would put on the blush, then the highlighter on top. But he was saying that we can put the highlighter first and then the blush on top, and it will have that kind of soft look. I am a little scared because it looks very pigmented. I don't know how much products I need to pick up again. Oh, by the way, there is no smell to this product. There's no fragrance, and I love that. Thank you, Goss. That is so pigmented. Look at that. I think I better dust off some just in case. This is so pigmented, guys. I like to apply my blush in this placement. It lifts up the face and, you know, make it look longer and slimmer and just more awake. And this is how it looks. It's so pigmented. I can see from my viewfinder, it's so pigmented. But it's like a very nice pinky blush. Now with the highlighter, I am using Sonia SG's Brush Detail Pro. This is so pretty. It is very much like the Anastasia and the Pat McGrath one. My highlighter, it's doing exactly what he's saying. It doesn't show a lot of texture and fine line. I think the blush, it is showing my acne a little bit. I love this highlighter. It looks so bougie and it looks very editorial. If anything, it's making me want to remove my inner corner and my brow bones highlighter, because now it's like, what's going on? So moving on to this side, I am going to try what Goss was saying. I'm going to apply highlighter first and we will do blush after. Even without the blush, the highlighter looks amazing. It's really easy to apply, it glides on. So this is the side with highlighter, then blush. And this is the side with blush, then highlighter. I have to say, they both look incredible. I am someone that loves highlighter. Like, I can wear blinding highlighter, but it's not like that every day. It depends on what I'm wearing, where I'm going, my makeup change with it. And this is good for like the low-key, low profile kind of makeup look. It does have like the glow within kind of vibe to it. This side actually remind me of my MAC highlighter as well. It's MAC Cosmetics Beaming Blush Extra Dimension Skin Finish. So this is how it looks like, and I think it looks a little bit more pink when it comes to Goss. But it's like the same vibe to it. You get the pink and you get the golden, like a gold sheen into it. So this is the Anastasia highlighter. It looks pretty similar. It have like the white and the yellow pearl sheen. Whoa! I can definitely use this as a highlighter. This is insanely pigmented. This is ridiculous. I'm gonna try to do an eyeshadow look with this. So this is Goss Shocking color. Ooh, the highlighter feels very buttery. Now I am swatching Anastasia Beverly Hills. These emboss is so beautiful. It's a lot more yellow and golden, whereas Goss one is more white, it's more pale. This is the Suku Powder Blush Compact 101. And I'm gonna swatch this shade right here. This texture actually feels more like the Goss highlighter. It's more buttery. It's not matte. There is a little bit of sheen. And the color is not as vibrant as well. It's a little more deep and with a little bit more red. I have another one here, which is from Hourglass, the Ambient Strobe Lighting. This is the Euphoric Fusion. So the texture again is similar to the highlighter. You can see that there is kick up when I swatch. This don't happen when you use it with the blush, however. When you use it with the brush. So this is the Hourglass shade. It's even more, it's leaning towards coral, I would say. It's leaning towards coral and brown. Just out of curiosity though, I do creative makeup, so I have a lot of pigmented eyeshadow palette. So I want to compare the fuchsia shade. So this is my all-time favorite palette. This is from Be Perfect. The Carnival 3, I have all of like the whole 3 palettes from the Carnival series. I think we have a shade here that might be interesting, Pink Lily. So let's see how it is. It's definitely more neon, but we'll give it a try. So this is the Pink Lily from Be Perfect eyeshadow palette, and this is Twilight. Well, it's kind of close. I feel like it's the Goss shade is like a hybrid version of this too. At first glance, I thought it looks a lot like the Anastasia Iced Out, but it's actually very different. I am so glad that I picked out this blush palette. Like, I love the texture, the formula, the pigments, and the concept behind the blush. They both look fantastic. Now I just want to try everything from Goss. As expected though, I kind of already have bias, and you know, from his journey, from his experience, I know he will come out with amazing products that he probably find that it's not necessarily available in the market. Cosmetic is very saturated, I know, but there are still a lot of things that's not there, not perfect yet. This palette, according to him, is not only for, you know, young adult, young people, but it's actually made for, I think, 18 to 65 years old skin. So when he was producing this, he actually had mature skin in mind. There's really nothing bad that I can say about this blush palette. I absolutely love it. It is a good purchase for me and I'm happy. If you like this video, please give it a like, a thumbs up, and if these are the contents that you are interested in, then consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!